Hi, I'm Nadia. I'm a DP2 art student, and my exhibition, The Complexity of Vulnerability, explores how fragility and openness can coexist with self-expression and connection, revealing vulnerability as both a source of emotional strength and a tool for personal relationships. In this exhibition, vulnerability will be treated in a dynamic state, one that flows between uncomfortable and inviting. A key intention of the exhibition is to encourage viewers to reflect their experiences with vulnerability by presenting emotional openness in a visible and tangible form. The artworks will prompt viewers to question how and why vulnerability is often perceived as a weakness. As viewers move through the exhibition, they are guided through shifting perspectives and emotional states, allowing for gradual personal engagement with the theme. The progression invites moments of recognition, discomfort, and understanding through the layout of the artworks. My favorite piece that I'm the most proud of is Target. This acrylic piece explores deer as a symbolic motif for innocence and vulnerability, and how the deer is forcefully placed in an environment for comfort that slowly turns into violence, confronting the irony of uncomfortability and vulnerability in a setting of safety, embodying the tragic and forceful nature of vulnerability. Through this exploration, the exhibition highlights the concept that vulnerability can be both a powerful and a transformative act of human experience, despite its discomfort.